They have an ag setup, so those are way more unique to what they are for the agricultural side. They also have a contractor setup that is more like a tag trailer, and they have a truck box. So the truck box, instead of having your normal dump, it actually side dumps off the truck if you wanted to do that style. So they have a couple different options there. If you have any questions on those or any of these, or if you want to take this demo out and check it out and see if it's going to work for you, give me a call, 505-215-4762, or give me an email at tyler.glatz@transwest.com. Until then, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.